Disclaimer. Under Title 17 U.S.C. Section 107, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. So after reading about all the untested rape kits in Hollywood, I was curious, so I did a little researching. Orange County District Attorney's Office clears 30-year backlog of untested rape kits. How is it even possible? It just makes the level of rage that I feel just from reading that, the level of rage that I feel. Wonder how many more rapes were committed because of that. And how many victims, once again, didn't get justice. And this is by Darlene Powell's, dated July 1st, 2022. The Orange County District Attorney's Office has cleared a 30-year backlog of untested sexual assault kits. You mean rape? Leading to criminal charges in 6 cold cases and hundreds of new DNA profiles being uploaded to law enforcement databases. Imagine that. You can just tell the BS. 30-year backlog of rape kits, and you have criminal charges for 6 cold cases? Just what I thought. One of those rape kits led to a conviction for Michael Ray Armijo. Oh no, this wasn't what I thought. Who posed as a police officer and kidnapped. Something funny about this. Okay, I'll explain. I just think they're just throwing out like a story. I mean, it probably is real, but they don't want the real truth out, if you guys know what I mean. He posed as a police officer and kidnapped a couple on April 4th, 1993. Sexually assaulted a woman, then took their wallets and threatened to kill them. According to the DA's office, Armijo was not charged with rape. Wait for it, you guys. What do you think for? Damn. Apparently my brain cells do work well sometimes. Due to the statute of limitations. But he was instead convicted last year of 2 felony counts of kidnap to commit robbery and enhancements for the personal use of a firearm. He is now serving a maximum sentence of 24 years to life in prison. Tells you a lot about society when we've got all these statute of limitations against violent acts towards women or young children. The rape kit in that case was one of thousands of untested kits. That's almost like they're mocking us, you know what I mean? Inventoried by OC Safe, an effort from the DA's office to inventory thousands of untested sexual assault kits from all over Orange County. Every one of these untested SA assault kits represents a victim who deserves justice. Yep. Orange County District Attorney told Spitzer said in a statement. Orange County officials had been working to clear the backlog. Ask yourself, why would this be allowed? I'm just saying. Of untested sexual assault kits, and used a $1.86 million grant from the National Sexual Assault Kit Initiative to establish OC Safe. In July of 2020, the District Attorney's Office received an additional $328,305 in grants from the California Department of Justice. Wonder if they're really going to use it. With Bode Technology and help clear Orange County Crime Lab's backlog. Bode completed its final tests last Friday, according to the DA's office. I mean, it's like they just throw this little story out to make people happy, you know what I mean? So you got 30 years of rape kits and you have one conviction, or maybe like 6 convictions, they say. When you got DNA evidence. Anyways, I'm going to go watch birds or something. I will leave the link in the description box. Like and subscribe if you choose. Otherwise, have an amazing day.